In a bustling city, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya had faced her share of hardships, yet she always wore a smile that radiated warmth and kindness. Her smile was a beacon of hope for those around her, a reminder that even in the midst of life's challenges, there was always room for joy. One day, Maya decided to volunteer at a local community center that served underprivileged children. She believed that her smile could bring a little cheer into their lives. As she walked into the center, her eyes met the curious gazes of children who had faced more adversity than anyone should at such a tender age. Maya introduced herself and began engaging the children in various activities. She told stories, played games, and shared her own experiences. Her genuine smile never wavered, and slowly, the children began to open up to her. They started sharing their dreams, their fears, and their hopes. One particular child, named Aiden, seemed reserved and withdrawn. He had a tough exterior, a result of the challenges life had thrown at him. Maya sensed his struggle and made it her mission to bring a smile to his face. Day after day, Maya dedicated extra time to Aiden. She patiently listened to his stories, never pushing him to share more than he was comfortable with. She encouraged his interests and talents, and soon enough, Aiden started to open up. Maya's smile had broken through his barriers, and he began to smile in return. As time passed, Maya's influence began to spread throughout the community center. Not only was she changing the lives of the children, but she was also inspiring the staff and volunteers. They too began to embrace the gift of a smile, realizing that a simple act of kindness could have a profound impact. One sunny afternoon, Maya organized a small talent show at the community center. Children and volunteers alike took the stage, showcasing their unique abilities and sharing their stories. Aiden, once reserved and withdrawn, surprised everyone by singing a heartfelt song that spoke of resilience and hope. The audience was moved to tears, and Maya beamed with pride. Her gift of a smile had transformed lives, including her own. The community center became a place of laughter, support, and inspiration, all rooted in the simple act of sharing a smile. Maya's journey reminded everyone that a smile could bridge gaps, heal wounds, and light up even the darkest corners of life. It was a reminder that no matter how tough life could be, a genuine smile could be the beacon that guided us through, one step at a time.